Hi everyone, welcome back. You're once again with Mudassir. English with Mudassir. Mudassir brought a new lecture. In this lecture, I will be talking about how to make passive a present perfect tense. Present perfect tense के passive हम किस तरह बना सकते हैं? You must have these points in your mind. आपके mind में ये सारे points होने चाहिए. If you don't remember these points, you cannot change active sentences to passive sentences. Write these points in your notebooks. So if you don't have subscribed my channel, first subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Let's begin. So here I am going to change present perfect tense to passive. हम किस तरह इस tense को passive में change कर सकते हैं? Note one thing. Being will be added to all perfective tenses. तमाम perfect tense में हम being को add करेंगे. So look at the structure of positive. The structure is the most important thing. If you know the structure of these sentences, you can change any type of sentence. So positive structure is subject plus has have. Plus has have plus third form of verb and rest of the sentence. Rest of sentence may be complement or may be object. So the passive of this structure is subject has have plus been. Been will be added with all perfective tense. Third form of verb plus by a passive agent and rest of the sentence. Now I am going to change some sentences. I have eaten sweets. I told you this object will come in place of subject and subject will come in place of object. Got it? So sweets is plural. We will use have. Sweets have been from structure. Been. Eaten, third form. Here is also third form. There will be no change in the form. By is a passive agent. I. The objective case of I is me. You can see it. Got it? In place of I, we will put me. Got it? Second sentence. She has caught a pigeon. She has caught a pigeon. This will come in place of this. And object will come in place of subject in passive voice. Passive voice में ऐसा होता है. So a pigeon. A pigeon, one pigeon. We will put has with singular noun. Pigeon has been from the structure. Catch, caught, caught. There will be no change in the form. Caught. By is a passive agent. A pigeon has been caught by she. She, the objective case of she is her. Got it? A pigeon has been caught by her. Now coming to our negative sentences. Negative are those sentences in which we do not perform any action. जिसमें हम action नहीं करते. Structure is subject plus has have plus not plus verb third form and rest of the sentence. I discuss all these tenses in 11th first. You can check my videos there. So we have not beaten him. So the passive structure is subject plus has have plus not plus be plus third form plus by and rest of the sentence. I am going to change some sentences. We have not beaten him. In place, this is object, this is verb, and this is subject. Subject, verb, and object. So object will be the place of subject. Subject की जगह हम लगाएंगे, तो इसी वजह से ये the objective case, the subjective case of him is he. Got it? He. And with he we are using has. He has not been from the structure. Been, beaten. There will be no change in form. By the passive agent. By we. In place of we is subjective case. We will put objective because this is the place of object. The objective case of we is us. Got it? He has not beaten. He has not been beaten by us. Aslam has not written the letter. Object will come in place of subject, and subject will come in place of object. Got it? In passive structure. Letter. Letter is singular noun. Letter has not been. Letter has not been written. There will be no change in form because perfect tense have already third form and all the passive structure have third form. Letter has not been written by, in place of Aslam. Aslam is, there will be no change in the subject. By Aslam. Got it? Look at the interrogative. Interrogative are those sentences there should be a question, जिसमें question पूछा जाता है, and there should be a sign of interrogation, question mark in the end of the sentence. Has, have, the subject plus verb third form rest of sentence. Has, have, the subject plus been plus verb third form by passive agent rest of the sentence. Have you tested my eyes? Got it? My eyes. Interrogative sentence should be start from helping verb. My eyes. Eyes are plural. We will use have. Have my eyes been third form tested by you? There will be no change in you. The objective and subjective and objective case of you is same. Question mark is must. Got it? Here we have, has she broken a cup? Got it? A cup. A cup is singular. We will put has. Has a cup been broken by passive agent? She will change the objective case of she is her. Broken by her. Got it? If you have any question regarding present perfect tense, so you can ask in comment section. Like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for your valuable time.